Good morning. Okay, I think we should be live. This is the first official live stream with audio on the channel. Yep, should be able to hear me. It's currently 9:07 a.m., which isn't even early. Wow, I've been sleeping super late. I'm up kind of late right now too because I just work and then I go to the gym and don't really get home until it's late. All right, we know the strategy. We know what we're doing. Got some lines drawn on here, but I'm gonna clear them off. Thinking if I need any of them. Not really. No, I don't need any of them. Just remove them. We know the strategy. We know what we're doing. I'll be right back. I'm gonna use the bathroom. All right, this is super cool. I feel like I'm kind of getting used to this. I got the setup. Going. Uh, I'm kind of hungry. Once I'm up, it's like then we're chilling. I've still got what's it called? That Get that out of here. You don't need that. Oh man, I wish I wasn't like showing on screens. Okay, I'm the only person that watches this, and then maybe my friend Rocky. Um. All right, there we go. Got the day trading checklist up. Um. All right, well rested and a good mindset. I would say so. I'm just going. I've got I've got a checklist here. I'll talk about it in future videos, but we'll walk through it. I'm logged on to the computer. I'm on the stream. We're gonna check to see if there's any news for the day. So let's see here. Economic news. Today is the 15th. So this is today, 15th. And we're looking at the Fed speaking. There's no numbers coming out. Wells Fargo's earning calls today. And then EIA crude oil inventory. So there's some news for crude. Goldman Sachs earning call. Nothing crazy. There's Fed speaking at 9:20 before the market opens. Then Goldman Sachs comes out with their earning call. And then our Fed speaking at 10. So 10 a.m. we'll watch out for. And then some gas and distillate inventories and crude inventories coming out at 10:30. And yeah, so nothing too major. It's all blue news. Whoa, this one's red. Super fast release. So these are our conferences, I guess. These are calls speaking. Whereas this one, numbers just drop. And so there's no actual numbers coming out until 10:30. Got that wrapped around there. I wanted to rename this too. So this one's gonna be named Real Money. It's gonna be named Real Money. Check higher time frames. Oh, do it. Okay. And let's see what sub 2. Push-ups. All right. So and also like we're obviously moving down here. I don't have the what's it called? Trading view charts up anymore. We're only looking at this chart. God, how do I fucking do this without my screen going friggin' crazy? I'm still just figuring it out. There it is. Okay. Ooh. All right, there's the stream layout that we've been working with. What happened at freaking 9:30? So this must have been. I've been trying to figure out how these news things affects the market. Okay, so I'm gonna actually make a note of this. Coding. News events. These are news events that move the market? So that was the CPI numbers. Yeah, I think we're looking for a pullback this morning. Fucking news events. Some news events that affect the market. And so that was the CPI numbers coming out. All of these. I almost got that fucking move. I don't think it was the Canadian wholesale numbers, the New York Fed manufacturing or Canadian manufacturing. It's just these numbers. So these affected the market. All right, cool. Cool. I think that's pretty good. Okay, so we checked the news. Let's go bring the chart back up. We'll figure out how to actually properly do this later. I have to organize my charts and everything. Once I get my charts reorganized, it should be easier. But it is good to take a look at like the actual, normal time frame charts. But obviously that's what we're doing. We're moving down, pretty much. Here's it without all the drawings, daily levels. We actually did end up green on the day. I was watching this and watched it come up to 21,000. Those were the drawings that I had on before the market, before I cleared them. I was looking at that move upwards where we moved up at the end of the day to 21,000, consolidated, moved back down. Oh, now we moved up during the overnight. Yeah, man, there's really not much here. We got some more motion down at the 21,000. That's probably where it'll target again. We're gonna have a huge gap. Not too much there, Huge fair value gap. And we've also, this is another thing I was looking at, is looking at the curves of this line. So the MA, the Bollinger Band, the MA, you'll notice when it starts to bend, that's when you really start to see a change in trend. We're looking for those bends. If it's not bending, we're looking for price to continue with the trend, such as this. And like here, it didn't bend, so yeah, it kept going down. I don't know how to fully explain it. My brain's like not fully working. I'm not used to talking to a camera in the morning. But yeah, and then here, that's when it starts to get the bend. Boop, there's that little bend. Let's start to move up. Bends. Doesn't bend. But now we're starting to get a bend. So if we see price, test this, move back down. Could be good. Ugh. I kind of do just want to short this, but we'll wait. Can you hear me gulping? I'm glad I have water. It's gonna move more with Marcus moving. Yeah. Um, let's switch over to here. So this is the trend right now. We are actually moving back down. That's the trend. That's the move. We're gonna look for a bull flag setup, break out to the upside, but definitely like that looks good. You know? Yeah, we got these tops. Tons of room to the upside. Shit, we're moving down. Moving down. Do I want to sell in here? I didn't short, not yet. I do want to short this, so trading tick channels, I normally will trade um, minute charts or like time-based charts. And so trading the tick candles on a tick chart, I'm not used to it. I'm gonna look for this to move down because I don't know when the candle's gonna close, right? I kind of just want to jump out of this, but fuck, dude, wanted to move that down. Doesn't move up. I'm like 2 to 1 risk to reward here, which I don't like. I don't like how it's like hesitating here too. Anyways, that's the first trade on stream in a practice account with my voice. So there's the next one. I don't like to do trades like back to back. Right through the 80s. We're gonna hit 1200. So move that. And we were stopped out, but we were stopped out for money. Ah, fuck, dude. I don't like seeing this now. Like, now this isn't good trading when you're doing all this. But that's why we're in the practice account. Um, see, it's now kind of responding to the moving average. So we'll see if this holds as resistance or if it ends up changing into support. Ah, wrong one. This one. Okay. I mean, I like it. I'm gonna take longs here. I should have been switching over to that chart more. Damn, that's not looking good. None of my trades this morning have been good so far. They've all been bad. And this is how you blow up an account. About to blow up. It's 50-50 now on the tilt. So yeah, obviously I want to just wait. I'm down almost $2,500 on the day. So not a great day so far. It's only been 5 minutes. That looks like some volume. We're going in there. I really want this to go like that way. That's what I was thinking is going to happen. If we break below these lows, I'll size into this. Like really, I'd want to close below this one. And close below those. It's going to shake me out though. Might just go up. Alright, now I'll move this. And if we break below these, I'll look to buy or sell more. Sell more. Make all of our money back if it goes a little bit further, which isn't a good way to trade, but it's how we did it. I'm gonna actually go back in again, make a little bit more. There we go. Alright, well that's not bad. I like being in profit a lot more than I like not being in profit, that's for sure. Could literally just close it up for the day, be fucking done, go back to sleep. Not a bad idea. We'll reset, mentally reset. You know, you could take a long here. There's your long setup. But I think it's better to look for something like that. Yep, I'm still the only viewer on my stream. Oh man. My charges are looking fucking good though. Like, aren't they? They look kind of fucking good. We're starting to see some curve here. So that's what I was talking about. Um, yeah, that was a really good trade. That's the setup we look for. So, like if this turns bullish, right? Then I know I'm getting a lot of lines on here. I'm gonna clear them soon because can't tell what's going on. Um, if this turns bullish, we'll look for this to curve upwards, and then probably even for this to come back, we'll draw another line, and then try to get the move up. But I don't really like getting in here right now. Jumping in here. Let's do it. I'm in it. And I just said that. Might stop me out. I don't want to be in like super long. Yeah. But now we're up $800 on the day. So that was a good one. Let's go. Yeah. That's what I was thinking too. Is so now if we get a pullback into like more of like a bull flag, that would look a lot better. We wanted to retest this, go back up. That'd be the best setup. Move to the MA, retest it, hold it, move up. It's not gonna happen. I'm getting into this. Alright, cool, nice. This feels so fucking good. We're doing that. I used to not like it because I'm like, I'm gonna get stopped out. Like, I'm so greedy. It's like, man, I only made $75 when I could have made 400. But it actually feels amazing when you're in profit. Just moving that stop loss off and you can't lose. It's the best. Alright, I'm really not looking for any more longs. I would look for a short. I want to see solid um, short candles. So not something like that. Something like that. Could even wait for two candles. Might even be better on the Ike chart type, candle type. Yeah, I feel pretty good about the trading today. What do we do? We took a short here. I don't like that one. That's the worst one. That short fucking like screwed us too super early. 35 to 65. Bought, sold low, bought high. Don't recommend it. But then we got these shorts here. I think we might have went long here too. Excuse me. But yeah, you can see that gap. There's a setup. I'm looking at the time frame now, like the time-based chart. Oh, I wanted to switch over to the trading view chart and see what it looks like. I want to have where's my moving average? We don't have the moving average on here. Okay, I see it. I see them. God damn. Do you look for longs here now? We've broken the all-time high. And now I want to look for consistency. So here's kind of the next opportunity that I see. There we go. We're getting some pullback now. So you can either think like, do you want to short this or do you want to wait for another move upwards? Alright, I think we're starting to see like a trend form here. I'm gonna take one more. Look for it to move downwards. Make new low. We could lose our profits here. If we do, I'll be done. I want to move down a little bit more. And we're out. 2,000. We're going to test this. And we're 10 o'clock, so we're at time. I'm going to call it here. We're up $2,000 in the day. And yeah, we'll check it all later. Wish I had a girlfriend, to be honest. It's kind of lame. I don't know why people don't like me. Those are all the trades. Took a little while for things to get good. You know, I should have waited. I think that this long was okay. Take along there. But I shouldn't have expected a big move. Shouldn't have been expecting it to move up here or up here. I think really targeting here and better would have been waiting. You know, wait for this to hold there and everything. We were thinking it was down anyway, so taking it along there is kind of risky. And then the much better one was the short here. We were bearish going into it, and those shorts turned out really well. Short to here. I held the here. That's not my favorite, but the price action was good. Guess I don't need to explain every little thing. But I'm done. I'm ready to go. I got stuff to do. I'm gonna end it here. Write my own notes off stream and stuff. Alright. We'll see you tomorrow.